Introduction. You must have observed that during festival period, the shops in the market are flooded with items for sale. One wonders how so many items could be made in such large quantities. Do you know shoes, clothes, sugar, etc. are manufactured by machines in large industries? Some utensils are manufactured in small industries. Manufacturing is the use of tools, machines, and labor to produce goods in large quantities after processing from raw materials for use or sale. You have already learned that paper is manufactured from wood, sugar from sugarcane, iron and steel from iron ore, and aluminium from bauxite. The secondary sector of the economy manufactures finished goods. All the manufacturing, processing, and concentration lies within the secondary sector. The workers employed in steel factories, car factories, breweries, textile industries, automobile production, aerospace manufacturing, shipbuilding, bakeries, etc. fall into this category. Some people are employed in providing services. In this module, you will learn about manufacturing industries which fall in the secondary sector. The economic strength of a country is measured by the development of manufacturing industries.